Hello everyone, welcome back to another English class. I hope this week you have a good week, and let's learn some English today. We are continuing with the healthcare unit, and today we are going to do the second set of words in our vocabulary. We are going to talk about health problems. We're going to talk about parts of the body, time, and also some other general words, general vocabulary that you need in this unit. Okay, so let's begin. Let's begin by looking at the word, listening, and repeating. Let's do it. Health problems. Please repeat. Allergies. Allergies. Asthma. Asthma. Cancer. Diabetes. Diabetes. Headache. Headache. Health problem. Health problem. Heartburn. Heartburn. Parts of the body. Heart. Heart. Kidney. Kidney. Liver. Liver. Often. 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 Once a week. Once a week. Birth. Birth. Broken arm. Broken arm. Disease. Disease. Hospital. Hospital. Insurance company. Insurance company. Medical insurance. Medical insurance. Signature. Signature. So this is the vocabulary we are going to utilize. Okay, we're going to do a little bit of practice with these words. Okay, some of you are familiar with them. So for you guys that are not familiar with, I'm going to use a little bit of Google help. Okay, let's go over allergies. What's an allergy? Allergies can be caused by different allergens in the air. Allergies can also be prompt to food or other medicines that some people have reactions to allergies. Okay, so this is some images right here I found for you about allergies. Okay, you can have different type of allergies. Review to these ones are allergies right here. If you look, some people uh, get some reactions to the allergies, to different allergens that are in the air. Some people all get headaches. Some people get congestions, nasal congestions. Some allergies are seasonal allergies. The more pollen there is in the air, the more uh, problems someone has and reaction to these, such as this the case. So this person is sneezing, and we know that now we don't sneeze that way. We cover our face or nose, or sometimes we use, but most of the time nowadays, we use a mask, correct? So these are allergies. Allergies can cause for different things. Allergens, some people are allergic to animals, cats, or other type of things. Okay. What other word do you have here that we can look at? Is asthma. Asthma is an upper respiratory reaction that can be that is created uh, in the lungs. Asthma. Cancer. We are familiar with that disease, cancer. Diabetes. Diabetes is another disease. Headache. Headache. When your head hurts, you're in pain, you get a headache. Headache. Head ache. Headache is a pain. Ache could be related to pain. The word ache. Okay? You can say headache. You can say toothache. You can say backache. Backache. In this case is headache. Headache. Some headaches are different. Some headaches are in this area of your head. Some headaches are right here, the front part, front lobe, and some others are in half of your head. Headache. Health problems. All of these are health problems. They're related to your health, and they can cause some issues. Heartburn. Heartburn. Heartburn is a reaction that you get sometimes from eating or from some sort of chemical reactions in your stomach. It's called heartburn. Heartburn. How can I explain this better? Well, I have a few pictures right here that could help you a little bit. It feels like you have a reaction that comes from your acid reflexes from here, from your stomach, and you can feel it right here in your esophagus. What is a heartburn? This is what it tells you what a heartburn is. It feels like you're on fire. Your chest hurts because you eat something. Okay. It's caused in your esophagus, right in this area. Okay. Heartburn. Heartburn. Heart. Obviously, we know what our heart is. Heart. This is a heart right here. Heart. Kidney. Kidney. Your kidneys. Your kidneys are very important in your body. It's super important. So let me get you a picture of a kidney so you have an idea where the kidneys are located. This is a kidney, okay? You have a left kidney and you also can have a right kidney, okay? Your kidneys are located in these areas, right here, in this area right here. You have your right kidney and you have your left kidney. Kidneys. These are your kidneys right here. Very important. Liver. Liver. Your liver is also a very important organ in your body. Liver. Here is a picture of the liver. The liver is located right here, right above your stomach. Liver. Okay? Liver. This is your liver. Very important organ in your body. What else? Often. Time, it refers to time. Often. Often. Sometimes I go to the doctor, but not that often. Often is regularly. Not every day, but at least consecutively. For example, I brush my teeth every day, okay? I floss every day. I go to the dentist often, okay? At least once or twice every 3 months, okay? Often. Once a week. Once a week. You do it once a week, right? Okay? Once a week. Only once a week. Once every day. Or you do it often. Often is more regularly. Birth. Birth. Well, birth refers to coming into this world, you know, when when a baby is delivered, that is the birth of someone, of a person. Birth. Okay? So this person is giving birth right here, and they have a beautiful baby. Birth. Okay? That's why you say birthday. When is your birthday? The day that you were born. Okay? The day that your mother had you, brought you into this world. Birth. Birth. Happy birthday to you, by the way, if it's your birthday. Broken arm. What's a broken arm? Well, a broken arm could happen to everyone, anyone. This is your arm. And sometimes, you know, things happen and you get to break it. Broken arm. Broken arm. So you to have a better understanding what a broken arm looks like. Broken arm, and this is what they do with a broken arm. Broken arm. Okay? They put a cast around it. Broken arm. Disease is another word for disease is another word for an illness, okay? A health problem. And in order to take care of that, sometimes you have to go to a hospital. Hospital. In the United States, like in many countries in the world, you need insurance. And the insurance companies provide you aid to cover some of the cost of your bills, of what you have to pay hospitals or doctors. Okay? Insurance companies. Company. Medical insurance is your policy. The insurance that covers some of the things to cover your illness or any problems that you may have. Okay? And for that, you need a signature. You need to sign. Signature. Signature. Well, I hope that this helps a little bit. What I need you to do, if you're not clear about some of the words, please look them up. And we will continue with this. Repeat them on your own. We will continue with this tomorrow, where we're going to do some exercises with this vocabulary. So what I would like you to do is to go over here, I'll repeat them all, and then go to practice, click here, and practice this in your own. Okay? Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you tomorrow.